Hey guys, Spencer Defense Training. I'm bringing you the Palmetto State Armory Dagger. It's the Palmetto Dagger Compact, and we're going to do a field strip of this so you can clean your gun. This is basically just like a Glock. Now it doesn't have a magazine in it, and there's nothing in the chamber. This one's pretty cool. It comes set up with the Holosun 507C, which is the sight that I recommend for any handgun, and then of course it's got your suppressor level sights right here, so you can actually co-witness from here, which is pretty cool. I like the co-witnessing sights. So basically what we're going to do, we made sure it's unloaded. We're going to take this right here and this on this side, and we're going to grab them and we're going to pull down. As I pull down, I'm going to pull back on this slide, so I'm going to do like this on the slide. Alright, so I'm going to go back and then pull the trigger, let it go forward, and there we go. We've got it pulled apart. This is good to clean, so we're going to clean that. Alright, so we're going to take the spring. What I'm going to do is push forward on the spring. Oh, it's slick. Forward and out, just like that. Then we'll take the barrel. Now this barrel, to take it off, we're going to have to, I'm going to move it up. I'm going to take the barrel nut off. This one we should not have to take this O-ring off. Some of them you do. This one you do not. So there you go. That's how you disassemble it. Now it's ready to clean. One thing you got to watch out with the cleaning is for this sight. My suggestion, in all honesty, is go ahead and remove the sight, set it off to the side, then clean your front, your slide, and then come back and put the sight back on. That's my suggestion, and yes, you will have to realign it and all that stuff. That is the downside to an optic on a handgun. Alright, so we're going to put it back together. We're going to go just the same way. I'm going to go in at an angle, wiggle it, pull it back. I'm going to go ahead and put the barrel nut back on. Make sure I get it going on the correct way. Just like that. A good snug fit, just like that. Alright, now we're going to put the spring back in. The spring, if you look at the spring, you've got a fat end and a skinny end. The skinny end is going forward. It's going to go into that hole forward. And if you look right here, you see that second notch, not the first one, but that second one. That second one's what we're going down in. So I'm going to push it until it seats into that second notch. Alright, we're going to take the slide, we're going to put it on the frame. See your little notches? These little ears right here are going to slide in those notches, and then this little ear here and here, they're going to slide into that notches. Alright, so it's going to slide in here, it's going to go back, and you got to kind of like right here, you got to wiggle it till it goes in, and then you rack it back. And we're good to go. Pull the trigger, click, rack, trigger, rack, trigger, rack, and we're good to go. So now your Palmetto Dagger Compact is ready to put back together and go do some shooting. This is Spencer with Defense Training. Stay safe, stay armed. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.